Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to undo and redo actions in Visual Composer. You can do that with these two buttons. They will revert any changes made during the current session of editing in Visual Composer. So, if you've added a row you don't need, for example, simply click on the undo button and it's gone. If you've made any changes in the edit window of any element, for example, change the shape of this button, but you want to undo this action, you won't be able to do it while the edit window is still open. Close it and the undo button will be available again. Like so. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts, Command or Control plus Z to undo, and Command or Control plus Shift plus Z to redo changes you've made. If any of these actions are not available at some point, the corresponding button will be inactive, and it will look like this. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!